Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to No One Place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy on this bull run. So the market right now in the past 24 hours is up about 5% almost. And as we can see right here, the top gainer in the past 24 hours is going to be Harvest Finance. So we've been talking about this one to keep an eye out on it because in the previous video, it was up over 100%, I believe. It was trading at around $200 or so. And we said let's keep an eye on and see if this momentum continues. And as you guys can see, it's still continuing to grow about 34.9%. So that is our top gainer. Volume in the past 24 hours, highest one is going to be Bitcoin like usual. So Bitcoin finally around that resistance area. We broke through that 40,000-ish area, and now we're at that 42,000 resistance. If we can break through this 42,000 resistance, guys, we're going to the moon. We're coming back up. The bull market is going to continue to roar, and that's definitely something we're hoping for, today on Saturday and tomorrow on Sunday as well, for it to continue to rally. So it is up about 6.5%, trading at around 41,500. Ethereum is up 4.89%, trading at around that 2450 area. Then we have obviously everything else like Binance Coin up 6%, Cardano 3%, Ripple 3%, Polkadot 11%. So obviously we have most of these altcoins are up, 5% or so, and then we have some that are even up higher like Solana 11% or so. The market is moving, guys. So we're transitioning slowly into the crypto now, and we're hoping for this momentum to continue into the next few months, obviously, and get back to that bull market. So if you guys like this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. We're aiming for 40,000 subscribers. I know you guys can get me to that. As always, if you want to sign up for Webull, there's going to be a link in the description. Get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300 when you sign up today. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know what crypto are you looking to buy right now. So the first altcoin is going to be ETC, which is going to be Ethereum Classic, not to confuse it with Ethereum. So Ethereum is different than Ethereum Classic. And the reason we're going to be talking about Ethereum Classic is because of Ethereum. So a lot of people get Ethereum and Ethereum Classic mixed up, and they believe, oh, okay, so Ethereum Classic is Ethereum, and they see the price is very cheap, and they start to get in on it. So we get a lot of heavy momentum movement in a bull market with Ethereum Classic because people get it mixed up. So if we see a bull run, rally type situation, Ethereum Classic could be a potential rally play. Not a long-term hold, but a short-term hold that could go up 50 or 100% in a matter of days just because of momentum. So that's why we're going to be watching an Ethereum Classic. So right now it's trading at $50.50. It is up about 4.5%. In the past week, 10%. Past month, it's down actually about 10%. Hit lows down here of about $37 at one point. On the 1 year chart, it's up over 581%, trading from about $7 last year all the way up here to highs of $175. As you guys can see right here, when the bull market was roaring in May, or April May time period, this went from $40 to $175 in a matter of 5 days. So it made about a 300 to 400% gain in about 4 days, and that's what I'm talking about. This one gets a big momentum play when people get in and believe it's going to continue to run. So that was a huge play right there for anybody that got in 400% gains very quickly. Then it pulled back down, obviously, down here all the way to about $50, and we've been consolidating and trading on a downtrend for the past few months now. Just like the rest of the crypto world, it was doing pretty much the same pattern. So at these highs, the market cap on this one was close to 25 to 30 billion. Right now, the market cap is only at 6.5 billion. So this one has a decent potential, obviously, especially in a bull market run. Volume in the past 24 hours at 2.3 billion. So obviously, Ethereum Classic is a cryptocurrency with a special focus on immutability, popular expressed as the code is law. So Ethereum Classic, definitely a momentum play, not a long-term coin that I would hold, obviously, but a nice play for a bull market run that we might be seeing coming up, especially if Bitcoin can rally past that 42,000 area. It's going to be very interesting to see how the rest of the crypto world is going to, follow suit. So Ethereum Classic, our first altcoin. Our second altcoin is going to be Polkadot. So Polkadot has been roaring lately. We talked about it last week, I believe. So DOT is going to be the ticker right there. This one is at $16.35. It is up about 11% right now from lows of about $14.62 here just yesterday. So if we take a look here at the 1 week chart, up 22%. In the past month, it's pretty much trading flat as it did hit lows down here of about $10 or so. So if you bought this dip here on July 20th, you would be up about 60% right now. And then on the 1 year chart, it is up over 507%, trading at around $2.90 last year, hitting highs up here actually in May at around $50. Then we saw the pullback continue to go lower and lower, even though most cryptos hit a low right here in May and then traded sideways. This one continued to go lower actually, and that was the difference that we saw. Two different patterns happen in the market. Actually, three different patterns. We saw the sideways movement that we saw for 2 months, like Bitcoin. Then we saw some coins, continue to go lower and lower. So they made lower lows and lower highs. And then obviously we saw some that made higher highs and lower lows as they continued to uptrend a little bit too. So we had, some outliers that did a little bit different from the market. This one is at a 16 billion market cap, volume in the past 24 hours at 1.3 billion. And then obviously Polkadot is a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset by uniting multiple blockchains. Polkadot aims to achieve high degrees of security and scalability. DOT serves as the protocol's governance token and can be used for staking to secure the network or connect bond new chains. So that is what Polkadot does. Obviously, very popular coin. It's been around for a while, and a lot of people are, heavily invested, I believe, in Polkadot. Personally, I always keep an eye out for any momentum plays, and Polkadot could be that potential momentum play. Market cap is a little bit on the higher side, 16 billion. So at that $50 range right there, we were trading at around almost about a 40 to 50 billion market cap, which would bring it on the higher side. So obviously we have the large cap coins, mid cap, and the low cap. So as the large cap coins tend to go higher, the mid cap follow, and then obviously the low cap follow as well. Now they might not all do it, consistently in the same pattern, but they eventually follow that same pattern, that the bigger ones do. And then obviously on the way down, same type of pattern. So Polkadot, our second coin, and then our third altcoin is going to be a very, very popular one. A lot of people believe in this one for the long term. It's going to be Cardano, also known as ADA. So this one is up 3%, trading at $1.30. In the past week, it's up 8%. In the past month, down 5%. But we did hit lows down here of about $1.03, $1.02 on July 20th. Since then, obviously, we're up about 25 to 27% or so. On the 1 year chart, this one is up 839.34%. It was just trading at around 14 cents or so last year. Hit highs up here of over $2 at around $2.46 or so on May 15th. Obviously, this was when the green coin, renewable energy type situation was going on with Elon Musk and Bitcoin and all that. And that's when we saw this pop all the way from about 155 to 246 right there. So about $1 gain almost in a matter of 2 days or 3 days. Then obviously we came right back down as the market crashed. And then we traded sideways for the past 2 months with a little bit of a downtrend actually. And around this $1 range, that was a perfect buy. Now, Cardano is on the larger cap side, so this one is at a 42.3 billion market cap right now. Volume on Cardano in the past 24 hours is at 1.4 billion. And then obviously Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof of stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Now, development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled securities and stability. So obviously this one, a lot of people believe that Cardano is going to be one of those top coins, obviously in the top 3, top 5 area in the future, and a lot of people are going to be using this one for different type of transactions. So obviously we have Bitcoin and Ethereum right now in the top 2. There are people that believe that Cardano could join those forces in the future and be a huge coin. I mean, with the market cap it has right now, I see the potential right there for sure. Cardano could definitely be a nice coin in the future, but there's a lot more to it that we would have to look into to find out if it actually was. So you would have to do your own research and do more investing or investigation to figure out what type of benefits Cardano has and why it could be a great coin, and figure that out yourself. Do your own research, obviously. So I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence before investing. This is all for entertainment purposes only. The crypto world is a high risk, high reward type situation. So speak to your financial before investing, obviously. So that is the crypto, altcoins that we're going to be looking at. Now let's take a look and see what the rest of the market is doing. So we always cover this as like Bitcoin right now. We saw that rally last night. Right as the stock market closed, everything started to rally. So as soon as stocks closed, it's like the crypto traders were saying, all right, so the weekend's here, time to trade crypto. So it went from 39,000 all the way up here to highs of 42,400 here on the Friday night. Then we're just trading sideways here going into Saturday, and we're waiting to see what's going to happen going into Saturday night and then Sunday mornings into Sunday night as the market opens up again on Monday morning. So right now it's up 6.5%, past week 23%, past month 15%, with lows down here of about 29,300. Now it's at 41,000. So nice gains right there. On the 1 year chart, 265% from lows of about 11,000. Then we hit the highs obviously at 64. Now this was a pullback, and now we definitely broke through this resistance area. We're going to be looking forward to get through that 42,000 area, and then I feel like we could definitely fill the gap up and come back to the mid 40s, potentially even high 40s eventually. And this seems like a nice little rally right here that we're seeing. Nice little chart that we're looking at. 776.4 billion market cap right now on Bitcoin, with the volume at 32.4 billion. Ethereum up about almost 5%. It was same pattern, same thing, trading at $2,448 right now. In the past week, this one's up 15%. Past month, 13%, with lows of about 1,700 at one point. So if you would have bought in down here, you would be up about $800 or so on your, Ethereum, or about 45% or so gain. So nice little, gain right there. In the past year, this one's up over 600%, from about 350 or so all the way to 4,400 with the pullback. And now obviously we're trying to fill that gap back up. We need to come back up to close to 3,000 before we can start saying that we're in a market rally with Ethereum. If we can break through that 3,000 barrier, we're going to be in a good spot, obviously. But if we take a look here at April prices, we're actually above April prices, which is good. Even with the market pullback, we're still trading at decent prices, obviously, compared to where we were before. So market cap at 287.9 billion, volume at 18.8 billion. Doge is up 3% or so, trading around 21 cents. So this one is lagging a little bit, guys. So in the past week, it's only up 6%. Past month, it's actually down 21%, hitting lows of 16 cents at one point. So up about 5 cents since then. It is up 6,301% in the past year, though, from about, that 0.0001 or wherever it was at in August. Hit those highs up here of about 77 cents, I believe, at 1.74 cents. And now we've just been on the downtrend. If we weren't in a bull market rally, I would say Doge is over. But in a bull market rally, almost all the altcoins tend to follow the same pattern. So this one is going to see a little bit of a rally, only because the rest of the crypto world is booming as well. So we're going to have to keep a very close eye out on the rest of the crypto world and see how Bitcoin and Ethereum will perform, because everything else follows the same pattern, guys. So if you guys like this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links are going to be in the description. And leave a comment below. What crypto are you looking to buy right now? I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.